It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, these are some of the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200, and we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this actually got to this resistance zone and it pulled back to it, got to this support zone, tried to go back on uptrend but didn't go too far, and right now it is pulling back again. That is selling. Okay, if it should break out below this, then it should get to this support zone before moving back up. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will change to uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This was an uptrend earlier today and it got to this resistance zone, and I gave us this signal today in the morning. Okay, so I when it switched into a downtrend, I gave us this setup. TP1 has been achieved, TP2 has been achieved, now TP3 has just been achieved, so it's heading towards TP4. Okay, so this is a good winning for us. Okay, so congratulations to those that have actually taken the trade. Okay, so that is still selling at the moment. The next asset is going to be PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200. This actually got to the resistance zone, and right now it's switching to a downtrend and it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. I expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PNX 999. This had been on downtrend and it came to an end at this spot, and of course it started an uptrend. Okay, right from here after this switching, and I gave us this setup earlier today. So it has achieved the first TP, and of course we still have about 4 more TPs to achieve. So hopefully we believe it's going to achieve all these. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend. This actually broke out from this trend line. I drew this trend line about 3 days ago and it has broken out below it. And of course, once that happens, it means it's going to sell more. So you can see it's selling more and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.